Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week tutorial, I will show you how to get the fishing radar in Fish It, a must-have tool to find the best fishing spots. Okay, let's get started. First, on the Fisherman Island, just go to this shops, and here you will find fishing equipment, including the fishing radar like this, and then just tap on it and then just purchase it. It costs 3,000 coins. Just tap yes to buy it, and then if you have it, just open your inventory or items like this, and then you will find your new fishing radar like this one. And okay, that's it. Just grab your fishing radar and then find the best fishing spot. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.